Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and going straight into the header area. Double-click the top margin or use Insert Header. Once inside the header, look for Header and Footer tools and check Different First Page. This separates page 1 header from the rest. You do this because Word treats the first page header independently only when that option is enabled. Make sure the first page now shows a separate header section before making deletions, since that prevents changes from affecting other pages. Once Different First Page is active, place your cursor in the first page header and select the content you want removed, text, images, or page numbers, and delete them. You do this because the option isolates page 1 so deletions won't cascade to subsequent headers. If you need to replace rather than remove, insert new content here, otherwise leave it blank. Make sure to confirm other pages still show their headers. If they do, you've successfully isolated the first page without disturbing the rest. To finish, click Close Header and Footer or double-click the document body to exit. This locks your change. If the first page header still appears on later pages, go back into the header area and turn off Link to Previous so sections aren't linked. Once resolved, save the document and preview print or export to PDF to verify the header is gone on page 1. If problems persist, check for section breaks. Remove or adjust them, because section breaks control header linking across pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.